Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamba khani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and as you all know, we are discussing, more away, we are talking right now, and we are talking about, are you planning for your new academic year? All right. So then in this session, I'm going to tell you that main thing is, are you prepared? And if not, how should you prepare? All right, how should you prepare for this new academic year? Considering all the situations, we'll be discussing this in detail. But before I start, let me tell you about Vedantu's Pro subscription, because right now, as you all know, in this COVID era, the online education is coming out as a blessing to all the students, because they can complete their syllabus without compromising on the knowledge. And one of those, the pioneer in this is Vedantu. So with Vedantu, you can enroll yourself in Vedantu by using Vedantu's Pro subscription courses. So first thing, what are the features in that? The first feature is you are getting unlimited live classes. You can attend as many live classes as you want, and all the classes are going to be fun and filled with high level quizzes. All right. The second thing is, since there are students from all over the world, you will get to know that where do you actually stand. All right, you'll get to know that where do you actually stand. Your competition will be from the students all over the world. The next thing is interactive replay. That means even while watching the recording of your class, you'll be able to attend the quiz, you'll be able to attend the you'll be able to get the marks for the correct answers you're giving in the quiz, and you'll get to see your name in the leaderboard if you are solving all the questions correctly and if you're getting good enough marks for the leaderboard. So you'll not feel like that you are watching a recording, you'll feel like you're watching a live class, because you're attending quiz, you're getting marks, you're seeing the leaderboard and all that. All right. Then handwritten notes of master teachers will be available to you, so you don't have to go for thousands of places in search of the notes. All right. And the doubts of the student is a very important part for all of us. We do understand that the no student from our Vedantu platform should go with the doubt unresolved. So for that, even in our live classes beta, we will have a dedicated teacher. Other than master teacher, we will have a dedicated teacher just to take care of your doubts, and they are expert of their subjects. And also with along with that, you'll be getting access to tests and assignments to practice more and more questions. Also, there are 5,000 plus micro courses, that is your topic specific course. Any topic you want to study or any topic you want to revise, you can go for micro courses and complete that. And revision courses also free of cost, no need to pay anything extra. So remember, less is more, less price, more classes. You can register for Vedantu's Pro subscription by going to the link mentioned in the description box of this video or in the pinned comment, and apply the coupon code GPE Pro. All right. So let me show you over here how you can register for it. Let's say this is the video over here. Now, if you'll come to the description box or in the pinned comment, you can see in the pinned comment, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. This link is given, or in the description box over here also, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now. Just click on this link. Now select your grade. Let's say grade 10th. All right. Let's say this is grade 10. You can select your grade board also, CBSC, ICSC. If you want to go for JE preparation, that also, all that you can do over here. All right. So GPE Pro code is already applied in that. You don't have to say make the part GPE Pro I have to apply and all that. Everything is applied over here. Now there are three kind of courses: Pro Lite, Pro Classic, and Pro Plus. In Pro Lite, you are getting all the features which are I have told you till now. That is live classes, test series, assignment and notes, and doubt solving during the class. The dedicated teacher who will be there in your class for taking your doubts. Now comes the course Pro Classic. Pro Classic has all the features of Pro Lite with one extra feature, that is doubt solving on mobile app. That means even after the classes are over and you are studying and you get to see one or two doubts, that doubts you can post in the mobile app, doubts app, and you will get the explanation and the answer for that. All right. The third is Pro Plus. Pro Plus, in Pro Plus, what you will be getting is you have again one more extra feature compared to Pro Classic. So in Pro Plus, you have all the features of Pro Lite plus the doubt solving app plus the personal mentor. Personal mentor will be, you can say, your teacher whom you can ask any doubt, your motivator, your guide, your constant support, your support throughout this academic year, throughout this journey. He will be supporting you and guiding you throughout this year. All right. So the prices of all the three courses are mentioned over here. In all of them, GPE Pro code is already applied. Other thing, the second thing which I want to say is you can also go for the monthly subscription if you think that paying all this price all together is bidding is say let's say little bit hard on your pocket. You can go for 1 month subscription. So Pro Lite for 1 month will be available at rupees 2340, Pro Classic at rupees 2970, and Pro Plus at rupees 4230. Remember, in all these three systems, the important thing is when you're paying for 1 month, as soon as the month is over, you can again renew your subscription and your batches will continue as it was going on. So it's just like an option of EMI. All right. So GPE Pro code is already applied. I have told you about the fees. You can see all the details over here, batch structure. You can see your schedule also. Everything you can get over here. All right, beta. So this is what Vedantu Pro subscription is giving you all. So I would want all of you to join for a detailed and a very personalized touch teaching. All right, guys. Now, as you all know, it is very important that we start the academic year and we start it on a high note and we start it on a positive note. And it is very important that we keep doing our work in starting from now. If we focus in our subjects, if we'll do our homework on time, if we are doing the revision on time, so when the exams are near, that time I will feel more chill, more relaxed. We can go in depth of the solution. And when we are doing the study every day, when we are understanding what we have done every day, then you will start getting the interest, because then you'll also start asking question to yourself, what if this happens, what if this happens, and you'll ask your teacher as well. So if you are thinking, sir, I'm not finding interest, you'll find your interest once start studying every day. All right, start revision, ask your doubts. All right, complete your homework on your own, start studying what you have learned in the school, do the revision every day. So and it won't take much time, 2 hours maximum. 2 hours maximum you can easily take it out every day for your study from your busy schedule, and then rest you can use for playing or whatever you want for your co-curricular activities. All right, so how do we go for it? How back to school? I know it doesn't mean back to that school, but means again our new classes has started. All right, so back to studies, I can say. So remember, as I have told you, it is very important that you start your academic year. And to start the academic year, there are some points which all of you should follow. And this will help you to, to plan this academic year accordingly. The first one is set your goals. Set some realistic goals, whatever percentage. For example, percentage basis you can set. Say, I got last time, let's say 80%. This time my target will be above 90 plus. Easy target, achievable. Or last year I did not focus on say SST, so this year I'm going to focus on SST as well, because of SST I could not go 90 plus. I was only in 85 only because my marks were very less. So this time I will focus on all the subjects. Again, one good resolution, you are setting your goals. All right, so once you set your goal and keep reminding yourself that this is not just you have said it, you are going to work towards it as well. So set your goal and work towards it. Second thing, work on your time management skills. Now, obviously, once you have set your time and to working towards it, it is very important that you manage your time. As I have told you, beta, including your homework and your revision, 2.5 hours is enough for every day. So try to manage this time. Okay, completing your homework on your own, not copying from anywhere, not copying from any book, completing on your own. Your teacher will tell, na, solve this question in homework. So solve that on your own. All right. So that will be like a self-study. You can count that as self-study because you have solved the question on your own. But if you are copying it, it is just waste of time, money, ink, paper, everything, whatever it is, because you're not learning anything from it. All right. So manage your time well. 2.5 hours. Understand that you have to get it out and keep doing the revision. Sundays also, please don't make it a day like where you will not touch the books at all. Try to revise whatever you have studied in the whole week. It won't take much time. Maximum an hour. Maximum an hour. So out of 24 hours on Sundays or on holidays, 1 hour is easily you can find it out, right? So make the schedule well. Decide the hours. Don't decide the time that every day from 6 to 8 I will study, because sometimes 6 to 8 you may get some work. So decide the hours. Every day I will study for 2 hours. Now those 2 hours, be it anything, you have to study. All right. So that is the thing. Okay. Also fix your sleeping schedule. Try to maintain it. All right. It happens like when lockdown is going on, we tend to lose say grip on our sleeping schedule. We start sleeping very late and wake up very late in the morning. But since it is the classes are in the phase, so please keep your sleep schedule also tight and make it 7 to 8 hours so that your mind is always fresh and your whole day goes with you have a lot of energy to spend your whole day. The third thing is organize your study space. There is one routine which is followed in many of the military drills also. The first thing which they have to do first thing when they wake up in the morning is to clean your bed. All right, you also start doing it now. Why is that? Because once your bed is clean and you are going out and you're doing all the work, getting tired, so when you come home again, you see a clean bed, a very good bed, it feels like sleeping and you enjoy that sleep. Same way, once you have studied, keep your books tidy. All right, keep your books at one place. Laptop if you're using, keep it at organized way, charger and all that. So keep it a tidy place. So whenever you are sitting there, you feel like you're a higher nice place to study. So it makes a good environment around you. All right, so it's a very important thing. Please follow it and let me know if you are getting feeling the changes or not. The next thing, combine. I always focus on this, that your healthiness, like being healthy, is dependent on being physically healthy as well as mentally healthy. So do meditation, do some exercises, very important to keep your mind fresh. All right, and the last and the most important tip is follow us. All right, because as you all know, as every year, this year also we will be coming back with a bang on series and we'll be completing your whole syllabus. We'll be taking your doubts, mentees, everything will be conducted in this channel. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because very soon we are going to come with the announcement of what are the series are going to come. All the chapters will be cleared in that. We will complete, yes, we will complete the whole syllabus for free, because YouTube, as you all know, is for free. So we'll be completing the whole syllabus. We'll be conducting the Menti quizzes and everything which you expected and which you have not expected more than that. All right. So do not forget to follow, like, subscribe to this channel and keep following for the update. Very soon we are coming with a bang on series. All right. Now one thing I wanted to say, congrats, wishing you lots of success. All right. Please follow these things and success will be yours. All right. So thank you so much, guys, for coming to the session. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Please follow this, subscribe to this channel, like the video if you have understood something new. And as you all know, I have told you about Vedantu's Pro subscription. The batch dates are written over here. If you want, you can say join my batch also. You just have to write a mail to vk@vedantu.com and they will transfer you into my batch. All right. So thank you so much, guys. And this is my email ID. If you want to contact me for anything, I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.